Over the past decade, China has become an increasingly important market for the gold industry, with unprecedented levels of demand and supply, recorded by analysts and the global investment community. New research from the World Gold Council reveals that despite an anticipated years of consolidation in 2014, Chinese gold demand is set to reach at least 1,350 tons by 2017. Our report, China Gold Market, Progress and Prospects, examines the drivers that are underpinning the growing demand over the medium term and explore how China has become the #1 producer and consumer of gold since the market began liberalizing in the late 1990s. The report highlights key cultural, economic, and demographic factors that have driven the rise in demand for gold in China over the last 10 years. In our view, these factors will continue to underpin the growth of gold demand over the next 3 years. Rapid urbanization is driving the development of the middle classes. The next 6 years will see China middle class grow by over 60% to a total of 500 million, all with increasing disposable income and positive view of gold. At the same time, the Chinese are renowned for their ability to save and hold an estimated $7.5 trillion in their bank account. Gold is increasingly seen as a stable, accessible investment by Chinese citizens in the face of rising property price and limited savings options. Consumer sentiment toward gold is also unwavering. 80% of consumers surveyed for our report said that they plan to maintain or increase their spending on 24-karat gold jewelry over the next 12 months, believing that gold will hold its long-term value. And this reflects wider market confidence. China has become the world #1 jewelry market, nearly tripling in the size over the past decade. Furthermore, official gold holding in China total 1,054 tons at the end of 2013, making the country the world's 6th largest holders of bullion. Don't just take our word for it. We canvassed opinion from the people on the streets of Shanghai earlier this month to get their views on gold.
我是觉得说，就是黄金嘛，中国人传统能够压压惊。像我就是本命年的时候，我爸爸妈妈也给我一条黄金，就是而且今年嘛有一好运嘛。
那这位小姐，您以前买过黄金吗？
我一般看金课的时候我就开始关注了，然后就看它增不增幅上看，你知道吧？然后就是我觉得也还行吧，就是看款式。
那您觉得现在的金价怎么样呢？
金价的话，我其实不是特别了解，反正可能钱不是的最主要的原因嘛，因为我不是为了投资嘛，还是主要是为了买这个黄金本身用嘛。
那除了这次要给老婆买那个东西之外，以前有买过黄金产品吗？
对，以前也会看，因为像以前爸妈给我买的，就是长辈啊买的都是会买黄金嘛，所以还是觉得黄金这个东西这个比较传统，也比较适合以后等我女儿长大了，她出嫁什么的会比较适合给她出嫁可以用嘛，所以还是会看黄金会比较多一点。
The cultural affinity for gold clearly runs deep in China, and combined with an increasing affluent population and a supportive government, the country is now at the center of the global gold ecosystem. Since the gold market were liberalized in China in the late 1990s, we have witnessed the expression of pent-up demand for gold from consumers across the country. This is still, however, room for growth. And this is not just demand. China has gone from being a minor producer to the world's largest source of mined gold. In terms of supply, in the past 10 years, production has doubled from 217 tons to 437 tons. While China does face important challenges as it looks to sustain economic growth and liberalize its financial system, the medium-term growth in personal income and the public pools of saving should support a consistent increase in gold jewelry and investment demand.